At Plastek, we don't just make cards. We engineer complete solutions trusted by businesses and hospitality brands worldwide. From design to delivery, every step of production happens under one roof. We manufacture our own inlays, embed RFID chips, and deliver cutting-edge security and durability you can rely on. From secure hotel key access cards to loyalty, membership, and gift cards, our technology ensures seamless performance every time, and we don't stop at Plastek. Plastek offers cards in paper, metal, wood, and now even ceramic, so your brand can stand out with unique style and sustainability. With over 30 years of expertise, we combine craftsmanship, innovation, and technology to deliver cards that elevate your brand and enhance your customer experience. Plastek Cards, precision, security, innovation, in every material for every need.